I just had to let you know you're.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nomnirah binti Abdul Ghani and I'm from class KBA 2732A. Today, I will present about my self-reflection assignment for organizational behavior. In this presentation, I will explain my understanding of OB, my personality and value, and relate my personal experience to several OB issues. Next, I will continue with organizational behavior. So here, what is OB? OB is a field of study that examines how individuals, group and structure affect behavior within organization with the main purpose of improving organizational effectiveness. Organizational behavior is important because it helps improve interpersonal skills and working relationships. A positive working environment can increase job satisfaction and reduce stress. It also helps organizations to retain employees and attract better talent. For examples, in my own experience during group assignments, we had to complete several tasks such as preparing documents, getting signatures, and coordinating works. Through this experience, I realized that clear communication and good relationship are very important because they help us complete the task on time without misunderstanding. They show that effective communication is one of the key elements in the organizational behavior. For this slide, I will explain about challenges of organizational behavior. There are several challenges. The first one is workforce diversity. In a group, people have different thinking style, culture, and way of working. This can sometimes lead to misunderstanding if not managed properly. Second is communication in organization. Poor communication can lead to mistake and confusion, especially when tasks are not clearly explained. Third is attitude and job satisfaction. Positive attitude usually lead to better performance, which negative attitude can reduce productivity. In my group experience, we also had different working style and opinion. This required tolerance and patience from everyone. At times, misunderstanding happened, but we managed it by discussing openly and trying to understand each other's point of view. I also realized that time management is very important because tight deadline can increase stress and affect performance. Next, I will continue with attitude and job satisfaction. What is attitude? Attitude refers to how we feel about something, whether positive or negative. How about job satisfaction? Job satisfaction is the positive feeling we get when we evaluate our work experience. In one of my group discussions, we had different opinion and working method. This sometimes cause stress and misunderstanding. However, I choose to maintain a positive attitude by being responsible, respectful, and open to other ideas. This helped improve teamwork, and eventually we were able to complete the assignment successfully on time. From this experience, I learned that attitude plays a very important role in determining job satisfaction and team performance. Alright, for this slide, I will explain about what made me satisfied. I will feel satisfied when there is good teamwork, equal task distributions, and effective communication among group members. When everyone contributes fairly and the task is completed successfully, it reduces stress and increases my motivation. During group assignment, I feel more comfortable when everyone cooperates and fulfills their responsibility. When the task is complete on time, I feel happy, proud, and more confident to handle future tasks. This shows that job satisfaction is strongly influenced by teamwork and cooperation. Next, I will continue with personalities and value. Based on the Big 5 personality trait, I consider myself to have a high level of conscientiousness. This means I am responsible, organized, and committed to completing tasks on time. I also tend to be agreeable, and I also enjoy working with others and maintaining good relationships. My value includes respect, honesty, responsibility, and hard work, and continuous self-improvement. These values are important because they help create a positive working environment and improve teamwork effectiveness. For examples, I feel myself to be very agreeable as I like to work cooperatively with others and have a good relationship while working in a team. I also possess conscientiousness trait as I work and I am responsible and committed to do things on time. Next, I will continue with perception and ethical decision making. First, we need to know what is perception. Perception refers to how we interpret situations around us, and it can influence our decision and behavior. In group works, I used to assume that some members were not participate because they were lazy. However, I later realized that they were actually facing time constraints and workload from other subjects. This taught me about attribution error, where we wrongly judge others without understanding their situation. Next, how about ethical decision? Ethical decision making is important to ensure fairness. For example, I try to divide tasks equally and avoid blaming others without proper understanding. From this, I learned to avoid making quick judgment and to always understand situation before decide. Now I will talk about motivations. What is motivation? Motivation is the process that drives a person to achieve goals and keep putting effort into tasks. One of the theory I relate to is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Currently, I am motivated by esteem needs, where achieving good results gives me a sense of recognition and achievement. I also relate to the job characteristic model, where feedback from lecturer increase my motivation. Personally, I feel more motivated when I receive positive feedback because it increases my confidence and satisfaction. In conclusion, organizational behavior helped me understand how personality, attitude, perception, and motivation influence behavior and performance. Through my personal experience, I learned that positive attitude, good communication, and strong motivation are important for success in both academic and future working life. This reflection has also helped me improve my teamwork, communication skills, and self-development. So, that's all from me. Thank you.